Hi students, how are you? Have you all are safe? I hope you are fine. Okay children, now it's a prayer time. Close your eyes. Ashatoma Satkamaya Tamashoma Jyotikamaya Vrityoma Amaram Kamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, slowly open your eyes. Okay children, let us see about computer and memory. Children, what is computer? Computer is a smart machine. They have lot of uses and many advantages. Computer works on IPO principles. IPO stands for input, processing, output. The physical parts of computer such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, etc. are called hardware. You can see and touch the hardware. Children, what is software? Set of instructions are called software. You cannot touch the software. Next one is memory. All the information is stored in the memory of our brain. Just like that, the computer also has a memory. Memory located on CPU. The computer memory can be divided into two types. They are primary memory, secondary memory. The primary memory divided into two types. They are temporary memory, permanent memory. First one, temporary memory. Temporary memory is one which store data temporarily. Some example for RAM, random access memory. This data is stored in temporary location called RAM. The data in this memory will be lost once the computer is switched off or particular application is closed. Next one is permanent memory. Permanent memory is one which store data permanently. In permanent memory will not be erased even when the computer is switched off. Some example for ROM. ROM stands for read only memory. Next one is secondary memory. Secondary storage devices are used to store and carry data such as text, picture, audio file, video file, etc. Some example for secondary storage device: CD, DVD, floppy disk, Blu-ray disk, memory card, pen drive, hard disk. First one is Blu-ray disk. The only difference is the storage capacity of Blu-ray disk variation from 25 gigabytes to 15 gigabytes. Blu-ray writers are also available to modify the content on Blu-ray disc, but they are very expensive. Next one is memory card. Memory card is small portable storage device. Memory card are generally is used portable electronic device. Example for digital camera, mobile phone, laptop computer, MP3 players. It can currently store data up to 512 gigabytes. Next one is pen drive. Pen drive is currently the most popular storage device used to transfer data. It can store up to 1 terabytes of data. Pen drive is also known as USB flash drive. The main advantages of a pen drive are it is high storage capability, reusability and portability. Next one is hard disk. A hard disk is the most important secondary storage device. In a computer, hard disk can be two types. First one, internal hard disk. Next one, external hard disk. The highest capacity of a hard drive is 16 terabytes. Next one is units of memory. The memory is measured in bit and byte. 1 bit is the smallest unit of a measurement for data. 8 bit is equal to 1 byte. 1024 bytes 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobyte 1 megabyte. 1024 megabyte 1 gigabytes. 1024 gigabytes 1 terabyte. Okay children, answer this question. Children, give some example of second storage device. Very good. CD, DVD, floppy disk, pen drive, memory card, hard disk, Blu-ray disk. These are some example for secondary storage device. Okay children, what are the advantages of using pen drive? The main advantages of pen drive are its high storage capability, reusability and portability. Okay children. Third one is write the similarity and difference between RAM and ROM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. Permanent memory is one which stores data permanently. Next one, temporary memory is one which store data temporarily. Example for ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. Next one is, what are the difference between CD and DVD? The answer is, the storage capacity of a CD is about 700 megabytes. A digital versatile disk, the storage capacity of DVD is about 4.7 gigabytes. Okay children. Fifth one is, explain about the different types of hard disk. Hard disk can be two types. They are internal hard disk, external hard disk. Okay children. Today homework is read page number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 18 workbook. Test on next Monday. Okay cuties. Bye. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected. Thank you.